What is the nature of reality? What does it mean to exist? Such profound questions have been the focal point of human contemplation since the dawn of consciousness. They are the lifeblood of a branch of philosophy known as metaphysics. This intriguing field of study originated from the works of the great philosopher Aristotle. The term metaphysics itself is intriguing, literally translating to beyond physics. It represents our endeavor to understand what lies beyond the tactile, empirical world. Metaphysics probes into the unseen depths, challenging our understanding of existence, reality, and the intricate relationship between mind and matter. At the heart of metaphysics lie abstract concepts that transcend the observational boundaries of natural sciences. It dares to question the nature of being, the existence or non-existence of God, the enigma of time, and the fundamental substance of reality. Metaphysics is not just about asking questions, it's about seeking to understand the principles and structures that govern our universe. Ontology, a key aspect of metaphysics, delves into the study of being and existence. It investigates what it means to exist and how different entities interrelate, exploring concepts such as substance, identity, and causation. Another cornerstone of metaphysics is epistemology, focusing on the nature and scope of knowledge. It contemplates the limitations of human understanding, wrestling with questions about the nature of truth, belief, and justification. Cosmology, too, falls under the metaphysical umbrella, raising questions about the nature, origin, and structure of the universe. It ventures into the exploration of space, time, and the fundamental forces that shape our reality. What does it mean to be? What are the categories of existence? Welcome to the Ontological Quest, a fascinating journey into the heart of metaphysics. Ontology, a subset of metaphysics, is the philosophical study of being and existence. It seeks to understand what it means to exist and how various entities relate to one another. Ontology grapples with profound questions about the nature of entities. For instance, what is the essence of a thing that makes it what it is? This is the concept of substance. A substance is what exists in itself and is conceived through itself. In simpler terms, it's something that doesn't need anything else to exist or be understood. Moving on, we encounter the concept of identity. Identity poses the question, what does it mean for something to remain the same over time? Identity is about sameness, about continuity over time, despite changes. This leads us to the paradox of Theseus's ship, a thought experiment that questions whether an object that has had all of its components replaced remains fundamentally the same object. Next, we delve into the idea of causation. Causation deals with the relationship between cause and effect. It seeks to understand how and why events occur, and how they are connected. For instance, if you knock a glass off a table, the cause is your action and the effect is the glass shattering. But beyond this straightforward example, causation can be a complex and multifaceted concept, encompassing notions such as free will, determinism, and the nature of time itself. Ontology is a rich and complex field, full of paradoxes and profound insights. It pushes us to consider the fundamental nature of reality, forcing us to grapple with questions that may seem unanswerable. But it's through these questions, these ontological explorations, that we gain a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. Ontology, thus, seeks to unravel the very essence of existence. How much can we really know? What is the nature of truth and belief? These questions provide the springboard into the field of epistemology, a critical element of metaphysics. Epistemology is concerned with the study of knowledge and belief and the justification of such beliefs. The word epistemology comes from the Greek words episteme, meaning knowledge, and logos, meaning study. It is, in essence, the study of knowledge. But what exactly is knowledge? Is it a true belief, or is it something more? Philosophers have grappled with these questions for centuries, and different schools of thought offer varied perspectives. Some argue that knowledge is simply a belief that is both true and justified. Others, however, contend that this definition is too simplistic, and that knowledge requires a further ingredient, perhaps an awareness of the evidence that justifies the belief or a lack of deceit in its formation. Epistemology also probes into the limits of our understanding. How much can we truly know about the world around us and our place within it? It's a humbling thought, really. Our senses provide us with a wealth of information, yet they are inherently limited. Our eyes can only see a fraction of the electromagnetic spectrum. Our ears can only hear a small range of frequencies, and our minds, however brilliant, can only process a finite amount of information at any given moment. So what does this mean for our pursuit of knowledge? It means that there will always be things beyond our understanding, truths that elude our grasp. But it also means that there's always more to learn, more to discover. The universe is a vast, complex tapestry, and we're but humble students trying to unravel its mysteries. Epistemology is not just a theoretical exercise. It has practical implications too. It informs our approach to learning, our understanding of truth, and our attitude towards differing beliefs. It shapes our worldview and guides our actions. Epistemology challenges us to question the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. It's a challenge that we, as curious and rational beings, should willingly embrace. What is the nature of the universe? How did it originate, and what are its fundamental structures? These are the questions that cosmology, a key area of metaphysics, seeks to answer. Cosmology delves into the profound mysteries of the cosmos, exploring the nature, origin, and structure of the universe. It's a realm where philosophy and science converge, pondering over the grand scale of existence. Think about the concept of space. It's more than just emptiness or absence. In metaphysical cosmology, space is seen as a vast, boundless expanse that exists independently of the things within it. It's a fundamental entity, a theatre where the drama of the cosmos unfolds. Then there's time, another cornerstone of cosmology. Time is a ceaseless river, flowing from the past through the present and into the future. But what is the nature of this river? Is it linear, moving in a straight line from the past to the future? Or is it cyclical, with events recurring in an eternal loop? These are the riddles that occupy the minds of metaphysical cosmologists. And let's not forget the fundamental forces that shape our reality. Gravity, electromagnetism, and the nuclear forces, strong and weak. These forces, invisible yet omnipresent, choreograph the cosmic dance of galaxies, stars, and planets. But what are these forces? Are they simply a part of the physical world, or do they point to deeper, more profound truths about the nature of reality? Cosmology is not just about understanding the universe, it's about understanding our place within it. It's about grappling with the vastness of the cosmos and our tiny yet significant part within it. This is the power and the allure of cosmological metaphysics. It doesn't just seek to map the stars or measure the cosmos, it strives to comprehend the very essence of reality. It pushes the boundaries of human knowledge, daring to ask the most profound questions about existence. Cosmology takes us on a journey beyond the confines of our planet, into the depths of the universe. How has our understanding of metaphysics evolved over time? A journey through time takes us back to the ancient Greeks, where Plato's theory of forms shaped early metaphysical thought. He proposed a world of ideal forms, existing beyond our perceptible reality, which our world imperfectly mimics. Later, Aristotle further refined metaphysics, examining the principles of being and reality, a tradition that continued through the Middle Ages and Renaissance. Fast forward to the Enlightenment era, where Immanuel Kant's transcendental idealism suggested that our understanding of reality is shaped by our perception, a revolutionary concept that challenged previous metaphysical ideas. In the modern era, metaphysics has split into two main traditions: analytic metaphysics, which utilizes logical and linguistic tools to dissect questions of existence, and continental metaphysics, which emphasizes existential and phenomenological themes.